My name is Valentina Utari. Let's go to my presentation. Beauty Salon Management. Welcome to Easy Salon Software. Easy to use and quick affordable salon management software with billing, online appointment booking, cosmetic inventory management, and SMS alerts. 100% customized software for salons and beauty parlors. 1. Easy Salon and Spa Software. 2. Business Management. 3. Billing Fastest. 4. Get Notif. 5. Boost your sales. Boost up your business with Easy Salon. Easy Salon is very easy to use and affordable software that enables your clients to book appointment and pay you upfront via your websites. Easy Salon software gives you the confidence of managing salon and save your time and money so that you can focus on other parts of the business like client relations and marketing that will help you to grow. Features of Easy Salon software. 1. Billing. Easy, a quick POS system for selling products and service. You can apply discount coupons and use mobile wallets to get paid. Automatic SMS is sent to your client phone after billing. Print and email invoice options is also available. Client management. Easy Salon software gives you effective client management platform where you can have appointment and billing history of your client. Now create your marketing campaigns on basis of favorite service of your top rated clients. 3. Inquiry follow-up. A timely follow-up to your inquiries can boost up your sales and help in building better relations with clients. Now never miss a chance to make new clients because Easy Salon software gives you follow-up alert like on your dashboard. 4. Reports. Easy Salon and Spa software give you powerful reporting options. Get reports in Excel file for almost anything. 5. SMS campaigns. SMS campaigns can boost up your client engagement. Promote your lead service, offers coupons or packaging to your potential client and increase your sales bar. Also, never miss a chance to wish your clients on their birthday. 6. Unlimited access. Easy Salon comes with no limits. Yes, add as many as employees, software users, clients, bill or products or service to your software. 7. Manage staff. Add and manage your working staff in software along with their address details, photograph, and legal documents. 8. Prepared packagings. Create packagings with multiple services and sell them to your clients with Easy Salon billing. Your clients going to love the idea behind prepared packagings, pay less and get more. 9. Discount coupons. Having a campaign in your mind or want to boost up your social media using discount coupons? Everyone loves discount coupons. Create discount coupons with a maximum amount of discount and validity that with Easy Salon software. 10. Online appointment. Now get business 24/7. Easy Salon software can be integrated with your website that enables your client to make the online appointment and pay you upfront anytime from anywhere. 11. Expenses. Add or manage and control your daily expenses and keep a check on money spent on everything. Our software is smart enough to store that which expense is done by which employee and expense on SMAT can be added by employees. Why Easy Salon? Key points. We customize the software to fit your business needs. 3 years of experience in the beauty industry. Easy Salon is developed over years with guidance by our clients. Easy Salon is developed in Let's HTML5 technology. We ensure you 99.9% uptime and data security, lowest pricing in India. Award-winning support and living training sessions by our expert, free updates and customizations for the lifetime, national and international client. Okay, thank you. Bye bye, guys.